let's see how to add line numbers in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now to add line numbers, simply go over to the Layout tab, and you should see here that there's a drop-down option for line numbers, and that will allow you to select different options for your line numbering. So you can either choose to have continuous line numbers, to have them restart on each page, to have them restart for each section, or if you want, you can even suppress the line numbers for a certain paragraph. So let's go ahead and try continuous. And as you can see here, this document has 140 lines, 141 lines. So what happens if we try and suppress this paragraph? Let's go ahead and click this. And as you can see, the line numbers cut off just before it and continue until after the paragraph. And that is how you add line numbers in Microsoft Word. See you soon!